and this is Xarin Zuther. I'm a cosplayer from the Philippines, and welcome to my December updates video. I feel like I'm missing like a brooch over here to complete my coordinate, so alright, we're gonna head on to what this video is about, and I'm just gonna be showing some products that I have on my cosplay makeup kit. So, a lot of these products are actually cheap. They're drugstore, and that's not because I can't afford higher end. Actually, I can't afford higher end. No, it's just because of sustainability or the actual, will I actually use these products? I rarely hit pan in most of my makeup products, and that's because I work at home, so there's no need for me to put on makeup every day. That's why I tend to go for cheaper options, because then I tend to get more bang for my buck that way. And drugstore is pretty good nowadays, even here in the Philippines. So to start off, this is the first item that's in my cosplay makeup kit, and it's not actually a cosmetic item, it's actually this. It's a fold-away mirror. So I'm gonna just, yeah, that's it. Hi there. Now this is a fold, and this is massive. You can see those are my handbags on the wall. So you can see that this is massive. It's like as big as my face, and this is 80 pesos from Glad King. And the reason I bring this along with me is because in the Philippines, it's not a common practice to go to a hotel and book your night there for a convention. We usually commute to conventions, so that's like there's this awkward, very long line on the female restroom. Everyone's just getting their makeup done, so I usually get my makeup done in a coffee shop or a food joint. So I go to KFC, I go to Krispy Kreme, whatever, I order a coffee, and then I do my makeup there using this. Okay, so next I'm gonna be showing off my primer, and I'm using Essence's, not sure if that's going to focus. I'm using the Essence Redness Correcting Pore Minimizing Primer. So Essence often has a sale, every monthly sale in Lazada. You know, 9.9 sale, 10.10 sale, 11.11, 12.12 sale. Their items go for 50% off, so I often buy from them. I use ones with, this has green clay, and I use it because my cheek area, my nose area, it gets really red. So it cancels out the redness in my face. So foundation, I've been using this. It's Maybelline Superstay 24-hour full color foundation, full coverage foundation, and I got it cheap from Beauty Manila, their last 9.9 sale. It was 250 pesos with free shipping. So grabe guys, ang cheap. A lot of my cosplayer friends like this too, and I like this pretty much as far as drugstore goes. The coverage is buildable if you use a beauty blender or a sponge. Definitely it will sheer out some more, but if I want more coverage, I use a brush to apply it. Okay, so here is my contour product. It's the LA Girl Pro Conceal. I use it as a contour, just for a tiny bit on the side of the face and my jawline. So I don't really go overboard with it, usually just here for my jaw. And I got this for 120 pesos when Beauty Manila had a sale. For blush, I use this. It's Clean Colors. It's from Clean Colors. And this is also only 100 pesos ata from Shopee. It's really cheap, but it's pigmented. You can really see the blush. It's pigmented. Actually, you have to control how much you put on. You have to be very careful to use it sparingly. So yeah, I like this Dolly pink color for my Lolita looks. So for highlighter, I use the AOA Wonder Baked Highlighter. It's actually a kind of a really popular item because it's a very cheap highlighter. This one is only 125 pesos when I bought it. So yeah, I used it sparingly on my face for this look. And this shade is in Cream Puff, which is a good overall shade for many looks. And then for eyes and eyebrows. Okay, for my eyeshadow, I actually don't use eyeshadow a lot because I don't cosplay a lot of characters that visibly have makeup on. So I just have a neutral palette. This one is from Etude House. It's a Kit Kat palette. Not exactly cheap. It's 1,000 pesos. Here are the colors. And as you can see, there's nice neutral colors and some shimmer ones for highlight, and there's a red one that I like because a lot of dolly looks or some anime characters actually have this red color under the eye line, down the lower lash line, so it's very useful. And these neutrals are also really useful for me. This is another thing in my cosplay makeup bag. This is an eyebrow coat. It's from Daiso, so 88 pesos lang siya, and you brush it over your brows. Your brows? Yeah, I just said brows. You brush it over your brows so that the color doesn't slide off so easily. So yeah, this is actually pretty useful. I've tried using it on my eyeliner too to help it from smudging. It worked, but I don't know how safe it is, so just use it for the intended use, which is the eyebrows. So yeah. And as for what else am I missing? Oh, setting powder. This one is my favorite, and also a favorite of a lot of other cosplayers. This is the Coty Airspun face powder. So I have the translucent one, and this normally retails for 550 pesos. I got it on sale sa isang bazaar, Noel Bazaar last year for 350 pesos. So this really bakes your foundation, your makeup look really well, and this also sets everything really well. It's one of my holy grail products. So yeah, and as far as setting powders go, this one is one of the best for me. So if you have the budget for it, please go ahead and try it. I am also using Essence, the You Better Work Gym Proof fixing spray. I think it really works too for me. Sweat resistant, anti-shine, and like I said earlier, Essence goes on sale on their Lazada official store a lot, so I got this for pretty cheap, like wala pa atang 200 pesos. Yeah, this works out for me. For my eyeliner, this is one of my holy grails. The Maybelline Hyper Sharp Power Black Liner, because it's really smudge proof and waterproof. I also have very oily eyelids, so even then it stays in place. The only problem that I have with this is that it rarely goes on sale. Maybelline goes on sale a lot for their lip products and their foundations, but not their eyeliners. Another eyeliner product that I really like, that I actually like, I've almost used it up, so it's already this tiny. This is the Essence 16-Hour Gel Liner in Black Love. So it's true to its name, it stays up to 16 hours, but ideally you take it off before 16 hours. But yeah, this is also kind of pricey. The price is 320 when I bought it a year ago. But then it rarely goes on sale. What is it with eyeliners rarely going on sale? But it's a gel liner, so you won't get a really pointed tip with it because it's a gel pencil. But it's the most smudge-free product I used, and I use it too. I'll use the Maybelline one to make a sharp tip, but I'll fill in the rest with this. Is what I would do after that. And it gets into my lash line way easier than a pen tip like Maybelline does. I buy all my falsies from Daiso. There we go. And then these are the same. This is the one that's missing. I'm wearing it. I'm wearing the one that's not on the pack. This is a pack from Daiso, so it's 88 pesos for a pack of 3. You can find singles for 88. Actually, you can find eyelashes that are much cheaper than the Daiso ones. I went to the Visoria sa Landmark that are 20 pesos, but I really like these ones because they're more lightweight on my eyes. And since they're from Japan, if you're looking for like a dolly or anime look, they have the lashes that are just right for it. Like this one, I like using this for my Lolita looks. For my lips, when it's cosplay. For male characters, I have the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in Cairo. This was 100 pesos when NYX went on sale sa Shopee. I have new ones from Maybelline as well. Also got on sale for like 150 pesos. That's when I have to cosplay someone that's like not wearing a lipstick, but I don't want to look maputla. I also bring this. This is the Mane and Tail Detangler. So it's great for wigs. It actually works better on wigs than it does on real hair. I have no idea why. My hair is bleached and colored, so sometimes I spray this onto the tangle, but it doesn't work as well as it does on wigs. This works much better on wigs for some reason. Yeah, that's everything I wanted to feature from my what's in my makeup bag. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you found some products that you're going to try out. And yeah, let me know in the comments if there's something that I featured that you've been wanting to try, or if there's something that you really like that you like me to try out next time. Tapos ano pa ba? What if you have any more ideas for what videos you think I should do next? Please comment down below. If you like my outfit, please comment down below. But yeah, I've been planning to do an ukay-ukay video next time to show how I find my Lolita, to show where I buy my Lolita or Dolly dresses. And I'm gonna show you where I buy ukay-ukay sa Kalamba, ganon. Just let me know what the kind of videos you'd like me to make apart from my usual crafting and cosplay videos. Don't forget to like, subscribe if you're watching this from YouTube. If you're watching this from Facebook, like, comment, react, or share if you want to. But yeah, and then don't forget my coffee, coffee.com/Xarin Zuther if you want to see more exclusive stuff and spicier photos. I'm not gonna judge you. Yeah, I'm not gonna judge you if you're into that. So that's it, everyone. Thank you for watching. Happy crafting, happy cosplaying, and thank you so much. Bye bye.